Something really exciting is happening in AI right now, and I want to take a few minutes to explain it clearly because once you see it, you can't unsee it. I'm Alejandra Teran, the Chief AI Whiz, and I help real estate professionals and business owners power up their business with AI so you can get real results. For the past couple of years, most of us have been using AI chatbots the same way. You open a chat with ChatGPT or Gemini, you type whatever you need, and the AI gives you an answer, maybe a draft, an image, and then you have to go and do the rest of the work yourself. You have to clean it up. You have to cut and paste it into the actual email that you're writing. You have to manually take that answer and go and update your CRM. So you, my friend, are the integration layer between your very smart AI and wherever you actually do the work. And if you're not there actively chatting with your AI, nothing happens. So it has a real ceiling to it that you've probably already reached. And here's why. Every time that you start a new chat conversation, your chatbot has very little context or memory of anything. Most of the context is whatever prompt or instructions or the files that you're uploading in that chat at that moment. It doesn't know what's on your email. It doesn't know what's on your calendar. It doesn't have access to the files on your computer, the ones that you actually use to get work done. So you're constantly having to re-explain your voice, your processes, who your clients are, your preferences. You are doing a lot of the work that your AI agent should be doing for you. But that ceiling was shattered just a few months ago with AI agents. An AI agent is a very different animal. It does not just respond to you reactively. It has access to the folders and files on your local computer, the ones that you give it access to, of course, and it can work directly on those files. It has access to your browser, so it can navigate to websites and do pretty much what you do there. For example, it can run a search on the MLS. It can work with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and create full presentations. And whenever you give it a goal or you delegate it a task, it can plan step by step how to do it, present you with the plan, you approve it, and off it goes to do the work. The finished report, the finished presentation, updating that CRM, drafting that email, and putting it there in your inbox. I have to confess, for me, it still feels surreal that I can just ask Claude Cowork or any of the other AIs to do something for me, as if I'm talking to a real human being assistant, and I can just approve the plan, and off it goes to do the work. And in the meantime, I can go and play the drums or do more higher value work. My agents have created full landing pages for me. They have created marketing content assets using Canva. They've audited my website for SEO, GEO optimizations, and actually went and did those changes right there on each page. I pointed it to a folder where I had over 5,000 files, images, files, you name it, stuff that I didn't even know what was there. And in 8 minutes, it organized everything in that folder, something that would have taken me maybe an afternoon to figure it out on my own. And after testing many AI agents, I'm convinced that right now, Claude Cowork is the most practical option for non-technical professionals. It's built by Anthropic, a company that puts safety first and is designed to keep you in control of everything that it touches. Here's how the setup works. You point Claude Cowork to a specific folder on your computer. That folder becomes your agent's workspace, like a sandbox, so it's not wandering around your entire machine. Inside that folder, you put your key files, your templates, client notes, your brand voice, your most common processes. That's the foundation. On top of that, you add connectors. Connectors let your agent work inside the apps that you use every day, like Gmail, like your calendar, your CRM. So that way, it's not just giving you text that you have to go paste somewhere else. It's taking action inside those apps directly. So you set it up once, and then you train it like you would normally train an employee. That's where skills come in. Skills are instructions on how you want your agent to do specific tasks. Think of them like your standard operating procedures that you want your employees to follow every time without you repeating yourself. And this is why AI is shifting from being an isolated reactive tool to being a team of agents that can actually do the work for you. If you want to go figure it out on your own, go do it. Download Claude Desktop, set it up, and start exploring. But do it now, before the rest of the world catches up, because right now, moving early truly gives you a competitive advantage. And if you want to set up Claude Cowork right from the start, without spending weeks on trial and error or watching YouTube videos, this is exactly what I'm doing on June 10th. I'm keeping this group small intentionally because I want everyone to walk out with Claude Cowork set up, connectors active, and you delegating your first real task live there with me. So this is not a demo, it's a working session. I hope this video got you as excited as I am about AI agents and what they can do for your business. The link to secure your spot is down below, and I will see you on June 10th.